Alias. A lady I know said to her lover, "Fair friend, I have a suitor, good, beautiful, of great worth, and I love him so much, no other love in my heart. I want to lay him just one night with me. I ask you for mercy."
Tell me then, since he holds himself back so much that he prays for it, is it right that I command him? Cousin, even if the lady is afraid of him, I would never believe. She says it except as a test. If she loves him so much that she would do folly, and if the lover grants her what she asks frankly and well, he will have thanks and she will do nothing. And if he wants it as he seems to, if he forbids it, his desire will double.
Melius, give counsel to the flatterer, but I guard loyalty and honor.
He should not reveal to the lover that I command him.
He fails if he doesn't believe me.
Hey, hey, hey! Cousin, that would be right. What's your reason here? But true lovers will hardly hold your counsel is better. Do you want to hear what is right in love? He who loves in good faith does what is unfitting as quickly as what is fitting. If his lady commands him, true lovers hold no other law.
If the lover knows his dishonor and goes against it, the lady will prize him more.
And if he makes himself a commander, at least he can say,
"I have a lover who loves me so much and holds me so little. He will suffer another to lie with me."
Thus he takes harm and shame by commanding, and by forbidding.
He cannot take more harm.
Poor thing.